Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of cabbage, uncovering its incredible array of benefits when integrated into your daily diet. Whether you have a penchant for coleslaw or savor the sizzle of stir-fried dishes, prepare to grasp why cabbage deserves a permanent place on your plate. Cabbage, truly a nutritional marvel, bestows upon us a multitude of advantages for overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into how this cruciferous vegetable can profoundly enhance your health. Brimming with dietary fiber, cabbage emerges as a loyal companion to your digestive system. It actively stimulates regular bowel movements while preventing the discomfort of constipation. Its low-calorie, nutrient-rich profile extends the feeling of fullness, making calorie management a breeze. But that's not all. The presence of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant within cabbage, becomes your golden ticket to a bolstered immune system. In addition to indole 3-carbinol and quercetin, cabbage contains sulforaphane and anthocyanins. These two antioxidants have outstanding anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Your heart will undoubtedly express gratitude for the inclusion of cabbage in your dietary repertoire. The compounds within cabbage actively contribute to reducing cholesterol levels, promoting a robust cardiovascular system, and even potentially offering protection against cancer. Next on cabbage's list are lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants may safeguard against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. They also promote optimal eye health by helping to protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Did you know that cabbage can help improve your brain health? Its rich choline content has the potential to elevate your memory, learning abilities, and mood to new heights. So, how can you make cabbage a part of your daily routine? It's easier than you might think. Start by adding chopped raw cabbage to your salads or sandwiches. For a warm and flavorful twist, try stir-frying cabbage with garlic and ginger. And let's not forget the classic coleslaw. Fermentation fans, rejoice! Homemade sauerkraut is a delicious way to boost gut health and digestion. It's easier than you might think to make at home. Now, let's talk about the considerations when it comes to eating cabbage. Thinking of adding more cabbage to your meals? Fantastic choice, but remember, moderation is key. Gradually introduce cabbage into your diet to let your body adjust. While cabbage offers many benefits, it may not be ideal for a romantic evening. Excessive consumption can result in uncomfortable digestive issues such as diarrhea, flatulence, and abdominal discomfort. Additionally, specific cabbage components can interact with medications. Some studies suggest that consuming large amounts of cabbage could potentially impact your thyroid health. Cabbage contains goitrogens, compounds that can impede the thyroid's absorption of essential iodine, which is critical for proper functioning. If you have thyroid concerns, especially hypothyroidism, it's advisable to exercise caution with raw cabbage intake due to its higher goitrogen levels. For those who are taking blood thinners, it's essential to take note. Cabbage is abundant in vitamin K, which can affect these medications' efficacy. To maintain a consistent vitamin K intake, it's prudent to consider your cabbage consumption carefully. As always, consulting your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes is wise. Cooked versus raw cabbage. Now, let's tackle the age-old debate: is raw or cooked cabbage better? A 2014 study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry revealed that raw purple cabbage boasts higher levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals compared to various cooking methods. Raw cabbage contains sulfur compounds, which diminish during cooking. This explains the not-so-pleasant smell while cooking. Steaming, however, retains more antioxidants and vitamin C, making it an excellent option if raw isn't your cup of tea. But don't dismiss cooked cabbage just yet. Cooking breaks down tough cell walls, making it easier on your digestive system. This means your body can absorb more nutrients from cooked cabbage. Plus, cooking reduces certain compounds that can be hard to digest, like raffinose. Both raw and cooked cabbage play a role in gut health. Raw cabbage packs more dietary fiber, aiding digestion and supporting good gut bacteria. Cooked cabbage, though, has its own set of benefits. The softer texture is gentler on your digestive system, helping you access those valuable nutrients. The verdict: cooked and raw cabbage each have their perks. For a nutrient powerhouse, raw cabbage wins with higher vitamin A, C, and antioxidants. But, if you want a gentler option for your tummy, cooked cabbage takes the lead. Whether you are team raw or team cooked, cabbage brings a wealth of benefits to the table. As with any dietary change, listen to your body and find what works best for you. That's a wrap on our cabbage exploration. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep experimenting in the kitchen.